Hello and welcome to Page Chiropractic and Wellness Center. My name is Dr. Michael Page, founder and developer of the Page Chiropractic and Wellness System. We appreciate you stopping by today and listening to this video. Today I'm going to cover for you headaches, specifically migraines and the types of headaches that are just intractable, that are causing people a lot of trouble. Migraines, if you've never had them, is the worst kind of headache you can have, and then multiply that by about 10. For those of you who have migraines, you know what I mean. Often it's a problem with lights or with sound, and when you have these, you either have to shoot up with Imitrex or other types of codeine or other strong medications, or you just simply have to go home, get in a dark room, and don't move until it goes away. Headaches really cause a lot of trouble. A lot of trouble in work with absenteeism and productivity. It causes problems in your family. You can't do the things you want to do with your kids or your husband or your wife. It really is a devastating problem. But there is hope. There is hope. I want to tell you the story of Joanne. She was a patient of mine just a few years back. I use her as an example because she was and is the strongest, biggest, most dramatic case perhaps I've ever had. She'd had migraines ever since her teens. When I met her, she was in her 40s. But she'd have it since her teens, and she would get them to the point where she'd just have to go home and lay down. They would give her codeine and eventually Imitrex, the shots. It was very expensive and was happening to her, having these migraines several times per week. When she came to me, she was just hoping to decrease the intensity of the headaches. I shot an x-ray of her neck and found a very characteristic finding on people who have headaches in her neck. There was a problem in there called the subluxation. It was where her vertebra in her spine had displaced or shifted out of its normal position, but in a kind of a very characteristic headache sort of way. I've seen it many times over the years. I adjusted her one time, and the next time she came in, she hadn't had a headache. And then I adjusted her again. And I saw her for a few times, but after that first adjustment, she never had a headache again. For the years in which I took care of her and the years in which I have known her since, she has never had a headache since. That is someone who has had headaches weekly and multiple times per week, gone forever. I wish I could help every single person in the world with headaches with that kind of efficacy, that kind of working really, really well. It doesn't always work that well. But I would say well over 90% of the people that I work with eventually get rid of their headaches completely. And when I say eventually, it can take days, weeks, or sometimes months. But the dramatic change that it makes in the improvement of the quality of life is worth all of the effort, all of the stretching, all of the exercises, all of the adjustments. So I urge you, if you are one of these people who suffers with headaches, I can help. And if I can't help, I'll lead you in a proper and a good direction of who else may be able to help you. Here at Page Chiropractic and Wellness Center, we focus on headaches and neck pain, car accidents, and all kinds of problems of your spine, problems in your health. And if there is a natural way to do it, I can help you get there, or I can send you to the appropriate specialist who can help you with natural healing. Call us at 801-733-8300. We're here in Cottonwood Heights, Utah, and we just really would appreciate the opportunity. If you come in after seeing this video, then we'll give you the opportunity to have an evaluation for headaches. It's a little different, but it's a special kind of evaluation. We'll evaluate for headaches at no charge. Just give us a call and tell us that you heard about this video. Again, best of luck to you, and I hope you feel better soon.